Hey, what's up, Bitcoin holder? What's the pump of Bitcoin? Seriously, everybody is waiting for the pump of Bitcoin, my friend. And I will clearly tell you, my friend, in this video, to win Bitcoin will starting pumping up. Definitely, after production, you will clearly understand. But I will clearly tell you, my friends, to Bitcoin price will be pumping up, but my brother, it will take a very long time, because in this time the volume was decreasing 42.57%. The volume was decreasing. Remember, my brothers, when volume was decreasing 100%, the market cap was decreasing, and when market cap was decreasing, so the price will be decreasing. So therefore, how much the price will be increasing, and can really the price will starting rising up, and they will give you a profit or not, my brother? Let's talk about that, my friend, in the chart result. But kindly, if you are my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Just click the subscribe button. My friends, Bitcoin were crashing down very badly, and absolutely I think, my friends, the Bitcoin price were more decreasing. But in this time, the price of Bitcoin will upward from $20,000 to $21,000. I think this was a short pump, but it was good now, my brother, for everyone, because especially for short-term investor, I hope they will get a very huge profit. All right. The volume, as you can see, my friend, 42% decreasing. So how is it possible, my brothers? So they will give you a profit, and they will change occur positive. All right. So 21,307, my friend, you can see here was the current price of Bitcoin, and I think it will change now into 30 USD or 30,000 USD dollar. But my brothers, when it will change, I think, my friend, it will take a very long time, because you can say 56% feeling good and 44% feeling bad. So that was really bad news for everyone. You can see here 731 2022, you can say 22,797 people are voted now. So definitely it will very bad change, my friend, you can see here. But don't worry, if in those days the price will be changed occur positive, I'm sure, my business too, I will inform you, and absolutely you will get a very huge profit. But this time I think you will need to hold down, and you will need to invest, because the price is very cheap, and nobody can understand, my brothers, to win Bitcoin will wake up and rise up. All right. So therefore I will inform you to hold and invest more and more. Thanks for watching, Bitcoin holders. What's your opinion and what's your advice? Kindly tell me in the comment box.